Hello everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Today I am going to talk about our work MHCN, namely, a hyperbolic neural network model for multi-view hierarchical clustering. Multi-view hierarchical clustering problem aims to analyze multi-view data at various levels of granularity. This problem hinges on the skillful interaction between hierarchical feature learning and comprehensive representation learning across multiple views. Despite the merits of the existing methods, there are still significant limitations to them. Shallow MHC simply calculates the average cosine distance matrix of all views and agglomerates the nearest neighbors according to the simply aligned similarity matrix, without fully capturing the consistency and complementarity among different views. Two-stage CMHHC performs multi-view alignment and similarity learning in the Euclidean space, and hierarchical clustering in hyperbolic space, separately, whose performance may still be suboptimal. To address these issues, this paper proposes the multi-view hierarchical clustering network MHCN, which directly aligns the latent hierarchies on different Poincare balls in a one-stage pipeline, leading to more effective multi-view hierarchical clustering trees. Inspired by the fact that the number of leaf nodes in tree structures increases exponentially with depth, mirroring the exponential growth of the hyperbolic surface area with its radius, while the growth in the Euclidean space is polynomial. As a result, we augment the standard autoencoder with hyperbolic geometry in the embedding space, and derive multiple hyperbolic autoencoders to uncover efficient tree-like structures. Each hyperbolic encoder is constructed as a regular Euclidean encoder followed by the exponential map. Similarly, each hyperbolic decoder is constituted of a regular Euclidean decoder preprocessed by the logarithm map. Then, we further analyze three desired properties of good clustering trees, which are preserving the intrinsic hierarchy of each view, making full use of multi-view complementarity and consistency, and not increasing hierarchies without strong necessity. To this end, we introduce three loss functions to realize the above essential characteristics, including learning view common consistency with the multi-view alignment loss, learning view private complementarity with HAE reconstruction loss, and learning tree balancing property with the hyperbolic uniformity loss. We conduct our experiments on 7 real-world multi-view datasets, and compared to 3 kinds of hierarchical clustering methods, including shallow discrete single-view hierarchical agglomerative clustering methods, deep continuous single-view hierarchical clustering methods, and state-of-the-art multi-view hierarchical clustering methods. Unlike partitional clustering, clustering trees can provide diverse granularity cluster information when the trees are truncated at different altitudes. So we validate hierarchical clustering performance via the dendrogram purity measurement. Through comparison with baselines, we find that our MHCN outperforms other baseline methods on all datasets. From the ablation study results, the proposed loss terms contribute to the final hierarchical clustering performance. According to Figure 3, with the weight of hyperbolic uniformity loss growing, the embeddings become more uniformly distributed, and the corresponding clustering trees become more balanced. And the visualization of our case study further illustrates MHCN is capable of guaranteeing meaningful fine-grained hierarchical partitioning with high interpretability for the multi-view data. To summarize, different from existing multi-view hierarchical clustering models, our contributions are as follows. We analyze the multi-view hierarchical clustering problem and propose a novel hyperbolic neural network-based model to tackle the problem, with the latent space grafted on the Poincare ball of hyperbolic space for explicit hierarchical structures. 3 objectives are introduced to facilitate the final multi-view hierarchical clustering trees with desired properties, i.e., a multi-view alignment loss, a reconstruction loss, and a hyperbolic uniformity loss. Experimental results show the superiority of MHCN compared with other MVHC methods in terms of both effectiveness and scalability.